Hello, this is Heather with Hiking Hocking Hills, and today I am covering Airplane Rock. Okay, this is how you're going to get there. Drive like you're going to Conkles Hollow, but past the entrance. Go across the bridge, and to your left, you're going to see this area that's very well marked. Park on either side of the road. You'll see several areas you can park, and it is okay to park there. And that's where the trailhead begins for Airplane Rock. It is the orange blazes that you will be following. It's very straightforward, but I will tell you, this is not an easy hike because most of it is all uphill. So if you're out of shape like I was at the beginning of the season, then you're gonna have a tough time for sure. But it is fun and it is worth it. So then you're gonna come to this sign, make a left at this sign, and that's what takes you out to Airplane Rock. It is so beautiful, but I'm gonna warn you, please be careful because, well, that is a sheer cliff there. But it'd be a great place to do some yoga or meditation for sure. So once you get to the rock, if you take this little path right here, straight out, please, again, this is actually not safe and you need to have sure footing, of course, but this is how you're going to see the airplane. So then once you get out there, make that turn, and there it is, an airplane in the middle of Hocking Hills. Okay, also in that area, you'll see this right behind where you go to the Airplane Rock. There's some picnic tables. There's places where people hitch their horses. This is a bridle trail, by the way. And then there's also a bathroom, which is pretty much a hole in the ground, but for the most part, it's typically clean. Sometimes doesn't have toilet paper, so you might want to have that. There are some areas you go downhill, but again, most of the area is uphill. Eventually, the trail will split, as you can see here. You're going to take a right to go to the Chapel Cave and Twin Falls. You can check out my other video all about this hike, and it's really beautiful. There's actually a way to get to it that's a lot easier than Airplane Rock. So anyways, in order to come out of this area, just follow it straight back to actually down the Orange Trail, and that is all flat. And that is going to take you to the rock climbing and rappelling parking area. Again, I cover this in that other video, so it'll kind of all come and piece together for you. Anyways, have a lot of fun. It's really beautiful. It's not an easy hike. It is a loop, but it is definitely well worth it. Make sure to like and subscribe and check back often as I will be uploading new videos of places nobody else is talking about. Thanks a lot.